Thought of the day, the 23rd of August 2024. Love the Lord with your whole heart and your neighbor as yourself. Matthew chapter 22 verses 34 to 40. Reflection. Jesus distills the entirety of God's law into 2 commandments. Love God with all your heart, soul, and mind, and love your neighbor as yourself. This dual commandment is the foundation of Christian life. To love God fully means surrendering our entire being to Him, trusting in His goodness, and seeking His will. Loving our neighbor as ourselves requires empathy, compassion, and kindness towards everyone we encounter. By embracing these 2 commandments, we embody God's love and become instruments of His grace in the world. May our hearts be filled with this dual love, guiding our thoughts, words, and actions. God bless.